You know fingerprints are unique to humans, right? Well, not exactly. There's one animal whose fingerprints are so similar that even forensic experts could be fooled. Meet the koala. These adorable Australian marsupials have fingerprints almost identical to ours, down to the whorls, loops, and ridges. In fact, under a microscope, even trained scientists have mistaken koala prints for human ones at crime scenes. Researchers think this evolved to help koalas grip branches and leaves more effectively. But it's still a mystery why their prints turned out so human-like. So next time you see a fingerprint, it might just belong to a koala.